One of the biggest challenges most people face is funding the Alipay account by themselves. If you're into China importation business and you know Alipay is one of the necessary things you should have as an importer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fund your Alipay account successfully by yourself. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video. My name is Seidu Saude and this is Business with Eski. Let's get right to the video. Alipay is one of the most popular payment methods in China. You can think of it like a mobile money, or let me say a digital wallet that allows you to send or receive payments. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your bank account to the Alipay app and also fund your Alipay. Firstly, make sure you have a registered and a verified Alipay account. If not, you won't be able to fund your Alipay account. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Okay, so right now we are going to link our bank account to Alipay account. So firstly, head on to account. That's click on account where the arrow is pointing at. From here, you then click on bank cards. From this point, you are going to enter a bank card number. When you are done entering your bank card number, enter your expiry date and the CCV. The CCV is the same as the security code, normally written at the back of your bank card. When you are done filling everything, click on Agree to Terms and Conditions. So from here, we've successfully added our bank card to our Alipay account. So click on Done. And please, one thing too you should know is if you've been watching my videos, make sure you watch from the starting to the ending. So here I'm going to check whether our bank card has been able to be linked to our Alipay account. At this point, it shows our bank card has been linked to our Alipay account. Next step is we are going to fund our Alipay account. So this is how you can fund your Alipay account. Firstly, there are two ways in funding your Alipay account. The first one is using your bank account to fund your Alipay. And remember, the bank account should be a China mainland bank account. Yes, if not, you won't be able to fund it. And the second one is using an exchanger to buy RMB. Don't worry, by the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get RMB at a lower rate. If you're a Ghanaian, go to buyrmb.com. At first, Nigerians were able to buy from this website, but right now it's currently for only Ghanaians. And my Nigerians, you are not left out. Yes, I have a good exchanger who can give you the RMB rate at an affordable price. So this is the buyrmb.com where you can find your Alipay, WeChat and bank transfer accounts. And they really have good rates. So if you're a Ghanaian, you are missing out if you are not using this website. I've been using them for almost like about 3 years now. So to buy RMB, click on buy RMB. The next step is click on the amount you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy like maybe 100 yuan. When I'm done entering the amount I want, I'll click on continue. Now what you are going to do is very simple. You need your Alipay QR code, your name, email address and your number. Yes, your Momo number. So here I will upload my QR code. Make sure you fill the other details, your name, your phone number and your email and your QR code. When you are done, click on submit. And after a few minutes, like 10 to 30 minutes, it will be reflected on your accounts. So this is how you can fund your Alipay accounts by yourself, especially for people in Ghana here. For my Nigerians, I'll give you the contact of my exchanger if you want to buy RMB at affordable rates. I'll leave it in the description below for my Nigerians. And also, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. and also turn on the notification bell to get any video we post here. In my next video, I'll show you 10 businesses you can start with China importation business if you're a total beginner. So this is how you can fund your Alipay successfully. If this video really helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any of our videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.